Ready to break free from the grind? My name is Mario. Yes, I know the struggle. I used to be a glazier. I used to work in commercial and also residential, installing glass. I lived glass, I carried glass every day. And at the end of the week, my body was sore carrying glass for 60 hours a week. This was my job that I had for many years until I had an injury. And when I started experiencing a body injury with my hip carrying glass, I knew something needed to change because I didn't have time for myself. I didn't have time for my family. The only time was Sundays, and Sundays was not enough to spend time with my family. So what I did was I knew things needed to change, and for things to change, I needed to change. So I started to do some research in 2016. Then I found the e-commerce business online. I started to get involved in the Amazon business where you actually sell products on Amazon, creating your own brand and start selling it. We had success. That success led us to travel to Mexico, America, Belize, and went on cruise ships. Now, it was still a low ticket item that I was selling and it wasn't sustainable, but we had the taste of what it was to sell online and it wasn't enough. It's beautiful swimming pool. This is amazing, Costa Maya, Mexico. Look at this. Beautiful. Hi Adam. Hi Adam. How you going, mate? We're just out in Georgetown, out in the Caribbean islands. As you can see, we're just on a boat. We're snorkeling. So you won't be able to see it, but our cruise ship is down there, mate. But yeah, mate, this is Amazon. Hope you're doing well, mate, and see you soon. Then I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing. This changed everything, I'm telling you. So, what I did was I looked into high ticket affiliate marketing. And it wasn't just high ticket affiliate marketing, it was also person development, where it actually changed my life, the way that I think, the way that I actually go about my life. And everything started to become clear. And once I discovered this high ticket affiliate marketing opportunity online, it was now me transitioning from being an online marketer in e-commerce now to high ticket affiliate marketing, where I don't have to now have a product or a brand. Whereas now what I'm doing, I am now actually promoting and actually doing affiliate marketing without having to have my own products. And it was high ticket and it changed everything. I want to introduce you to this new opportunity that I've discovered, that I've been an online marketer since 2016. It's been a very, very blessed journey that I've had. But high ticket affiliate marketing will change your life. I want to invite you to see this opportunity. And if you can resonate with my message, click on this link below, get in touch with me so that I can share with you the information that might change your life too.